You mentioned earlier it's a six-part lecture series for high school and elementary. You already gave us a primer on the why we should be concerned with the West Philippine Sea. What are the other parts of this lecture that you're giving?
Well, we are also inculcating in the minds and hearts of our youth that this battle to protect our exclusive economic zone against China is a long term struggle. I call this an intergenerational struggle because China will not just give up, and China thinks in terms of centuries. And so we, the old generation, have laid the foundation to protect our exclusive economic zone. We have won the arbitral ruling that legally says we have sovereign rights to the waters and resources in the West Philippine Sea. But this is an intergenerational struggle, so we have to pass on this knowledge, this fervor, this belief to the next generation because this will be an ongoing battle with China until China recognizes our rights. We have now the support of the uh, naval powers of the world. They have come out openly in support of our position. The US, UK, France, Australia, Germany, Japan, India, they're telling the China to follow international law, to respect the ruling, because they they want the law of the sea to be preserved. Because if the law of the sea collapses, because if the law of the sea cannot apply in the South China Sea, then it will not apply to the other seas and oceans of the world. And how do you protect your maritime zone if there is no law that protects it? The only way you can protect that is to buy warships, missiles, warplanes to protect it, and that will be very costly.
Mhm.
Money used to fund education, social services, will have to be diverted to buy warships, warplanes, and arms, and it will be very bad for the world. So we have to preserve the law of the sea in the South China Sea because the alternative, if it collapses, would mean hardship to everybody. Uh, we will have to spend more on defense, and we really need to spend more on education, on social services. We don't have enough funds for education and social services. And if we have to divert these resources to acquiring more ships, more warships, warplanes, then it's very bad for the Filipino people.